We all love classic cars, vintage cars, often immortalized by the silver screen. Now, dozens of these motored on Delhi's Aerocity over the weekend, a delight to the eyes and also a platform for the collectors to show off. Diljit Titus, the man behind Heritage Motoring Club of India, shares his thoughts on bringing these rarest of rare vehicles all at the same place.
The Heritage Motoring Club of India was set up exactly 25 years ago, and it's been an amazing journey because we managed to sort of bring all car collectors across the country into this club, which is India's national club. We have about 360 members nationwide, and we collectively own about 10,000 cars together, representing different classes, ages, periods. So we have some pre-war classes, post-war classes. This Bugatti, which is immediately here on my left, it's a 1929 Bugatti, a Type 44. So we have a very beautiful Ayodhya Buick, which is a Hindu Zarana car. We have the Mahmoodabad limousine, which is a Muslim Zarana car. The purpose of our club and the purpose of this display is also to sort of showcase that variation and that very eclectic choices that people had in those times.
Legacy on Wheels brought 20 rarest of rare cars and 6 vintage motorcycles all under the same roof, while quite literally. Now these rare collectibles were on display at Worldmark Towers, Aerocity. Now let's hear from the owners, the passionate people for whom these are just not motor vehicles but a piece of life, a project for lifetime.
I would see on weekends, these guys, the Americans would come out with their vintage cars and lots of Model Ts and things like that, other Fords. And that got me into the interest, Now, the VIN number started coming in 1927. This is a 1919, 107-year-old car. So that he was just retiring in about 3 months. He smiled, he said, these cars would never have a VIN number. So how are we going to, build a record for it? So he said, he looked at the car. He said the car has an engine number and that does specify it was built in 1919. He asked me, do you want to make a hot rod out of it? I said, nah, I just want to keep it the way it was.
ये रॉयल इनफील्ड 1949 J2 सिंगल सिलेंडर ट्विन एग्जॉस्ट ओरिजिनल क्रू में इंग्लैंड का ओरिजिनल पेंट पे है आज तक और रनिंग और स्टार्ट है ये 20 जून 1956 को इंग्लैंड से ही मद्रास फैक्ट्री में 6 मोटरसाइकिलें आई थी और जो कि 6 में से एक मेरे पास है।
ये है 1942 की पैराट्रूपर्स वेल बाइक। ये बेसिकली जो पैराट्रूपर्स होते थे वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के टाइम पे वो इसको यूज़ करते थे, प्लेन से जंप करके वो लैंड करते थे एंड दे यूज़ टू राइड इट टू देयर बेस। ये ओनली वन टाइम यूज़ बाइक थी, ये सिर्फ उनके बेस तक पहुंचने के लिए यूज़ हो जाती थी। वो अपने बेस तक पहुंचने के बाद इसको डिसमेंटल कर देते थे। The Standard Herald 1967, which my father gifted me when it was my last board exam, the 12th board. He gifted me on that time, and now he gave it to me that like it is your car, you have to restore it by your own. So I decided the color and all.